Alright, about to unbox the Tru-Fire Synapse LITE that I picked up from Paradigm Outdoors a while back. Had a little sale going on, so I picked up this trigger release. So I'm going to unbox it and check out the performance compared to my traditional wrist strap release. But yeah, got a really good deal. I think 40% off their website at the time. So let's check it out and see what's going on. See how it performs. Got a nice humid day out here, and the bugs are going crazy. But decent little breeze, so it's not so bad compared to Nevada, where it's 120 degrees. It's about 85 degrees here. My first unboxing, so don't judge. Here it is, guys. That is a beautiful trigger release. Looks like something from Batman or something. But yeah, it has all the mechanisms, the release, and then you hold it like this, or however you plan to hold it. Better do a little class on this video because I don't know what the heck this thing is doing. But yeah, we're gonna figure it out. But yeah, that's the tension release. So yeah, it's awesome. Looks great at least. Alright, so it feels pretty good in my hand, but this trigger is very sensitive, so if you tap it barely, watch. Oh, not the one to do it no more. But yeah, it's very sensitive. But yeah, it seems like a lot of work to get this thing to work like it's supposed to, but yeah, I'm going to check it out and see what it does, guys. I guess it's not too sensitive, but it's definitely something to get used to. So let's see what it do, guys. Alright, first test fire at 15 yards on the block. So let's see what we can get here. So I can get somewhere close to a bullseye at this distance. It's not that far actually, so it should be somewhat easy. So let's see. I think in my neck. Real now. Like this. Am I doing this the wrong way or something? Ooh, that was terrible. Maybe I can't wear glasses with this thing or something, but let me try a different way. Ooh, this thing is hitting targets, but it's way off from where I need it to be. Alright, we're going to figure this out, guys. So the shot grouping is pretty good, but I was aiming here and it hit here. So I got to figure out how to adjust my face to my, the trigger to my cheek, and then go that route. But so far, not a fan. Alright, so I figured out how to use this thing. Took me a couple of test rounds because the instructions don't have it in there. But essentially, I'm gonna have to have it up down like this. Some of you guys probably know that. I just learned it because it's my first time using one in a long time. Either way, we'll try it again because my target is off. Alright. Yeah. So you want your hand like this, with the trigger below your wrist.
What were you shooting for?
That top left.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's working better now. Yeah, well, I'm gonna try one more shot. Definitely different than the wrist strap one. one that goes on your wrist. Alright. See if I can not prevent from splitting my arrow. Is it right above it?
Almost missed it.
Oh, perfect. That's good. Well, right on target for the most part. Shooting a little low, but that's probably because it's probably on me. But I got the trigger down, so there you go. If you see it on sale, go get it because it costs almost 200 bucks without being on sale. Much better shot group, and I think I might have split the arrow. Well, it's a broadhead. I mean, it's a broadhead. So I mean, field point, so it didn't do anything. But I'm okay with this. We'll call it a day, guys. Gotta get used to the trigger. I'm gonna try it a couple of times probably, but we'll see.